Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn parting conversation part 3rd. If you have not watched the previous video part 1 and part 2nd, please go and check it so that it will be more clear to understand this topic. Before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubt, queries may be crystal clear, means शीशे की तरह साफ. Example 6. I guess I did better go now. Instead of guess, we can use here different words like think, I ought to, leave, right away, should, quite soon. So let's use these words in sentence. Number 1, think. I think I did better go now. I ought to. I think I ought to go now. Leave. I think I ought to leave now. Right away. I think I ought to leave right away. Should. I think I should leave right away. Quite soon. I think I should leave quite soon. Exercise 7. It's getting late. Instead of late, we can use here different words like dark, outside, much colder, it's been getting cloudy, a lot. How we can use these words in sentence? Let's see. Dark. It's getting dark outside. It's getting dark outside. Much colder. It's getting much colder outside. It's been getting. It's been getting much colder outside. Cloudy. It's been getting much cloudy outside. A lot. It's been getting a lot cloudy outside. Exercise 8. I have to go now. Instead of now, we can use different words like quite soon, must, leave, in a few minutes, I have got to return. So how we can use these words in sentence? Let's see. Quite soon. I have to go quite soon. Must. I must go quite soon. Leave. I must leave quite soon. In a few minutes. I must leave in a few minutes. I have got to. I have got to leave in a few minutes. Return. I have got to return in a few minutes. Last but not the least, exercise 9. It was fun to get together again. Instead of fun, we can use here different words like exciting, meet each other once more, talk to each other, pleasant. How we can use these words on sentence? Let's see one by one. Exciting. It was exciting to get together again. Meet each other. It was exciting to meet each other again. Once more. It was exciting to meet each other once more. Talk to each other. It was exciting to talk to each other once more. Pleasant. It was pleasant to talk to each other once more. Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. So whenever I upload a new video, you may be notified. Thanks for watching the video. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.